National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flood warning for the Perkiomen Creek at Graterford from this evening to Thursday evening. At 3:15 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 1.5 feet. Flood stage is 11.0 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this evening to a crest of 15.7 feet tomorrow morning. It will then fall below flood stage early tomorrow afternoon. Impact at 8.0 feet. Park Avenue in Schwenksville is flooded. The Perkiomen Trail is flooded in Perkiomen Township at Plank Road and Route 113. 9th Avenue begins to flood in Collegeville. Impact at 11.0 feet. Graterford Road and Penitentiary Bridge are
This will
closed
probably be a doubleheader, I would imagine.
Impact at 12.0 feet. Portions of central Perkiomen Park in Collegeville are flooded.
Wouldn't surprise me.
Flood waters expand onto and to the west of 1st Avenue in Collegeville.
Usually when they issue the flood
Impact
warnings, it's
at
usually a
13.0
doubleheader.
feet. 1st Avenue in Collegeville becomes impassable. Impact at 14.0 feet. Storm sewers back up in Collegeville and flood Route 29. Impact at 15.0 feet. East Main Street in Collegeville floods. Impact at 16.0 feet. Collegeville businesses on Route 29 between East 9th Street and East Main Street begin to take on water. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 15.7 feet on October 19, 1996.
Doubleheader? Question mark? Probably. Yep, what did I say? Most likely, I knew they were going to do that. Severe thunderstorm warning, too. So, flood warning and a severe thunderstorm, that's cool. Hopefully I don't run out of storage.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe
College,
thunderstorm warning for
on
eastern Lancaster County in south-central Pennsylvania until 5 p.m. At 4:21 p.m., a severe
4:21 p.m.
This is
Eastern Daylight Time.
This is
A severe
4.1
thunderstorm was located over
wink, I
Holmville,
think.
moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard 60.
No, that's one at 4.7. WAYZ, Hagerstown.
Expect
locations
damage
impacted include Ephrata, Willow Street, New Holland.
Locations impacted include Ephrata, Willow Street, New Holland, Leo. Holland, Leo.
McDonald.
Strasburg, Quarryville, Adamstown, Terra Hill.
I think this is 101.3.
Bearville, Smithville,
W Rose, I think.
Lampeter, Intercord.
Meteorologist Tom Russell.
This report is sponsored by Brother Investment and
2855. Precautionary slash
96.1
preparedness
WSOX.
actions. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. For
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm.
Severe thunderstorms. If you spot tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the
A
lowest floor
severe
of a building.
thunderstorm warning has been
Very
issued
heavy
until 5
rainfall is
p.m. for the
occurring with
following
this storm
counties:
and
Lancaster,
may lead to flash
Pennsylvania.
flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for South Central Pennsylvania.